You think Earth is big, but you're completely wrong. Because the moment you zoom out, everything changes. Earth feels massive. Oceans stretch forever. Continents take hours to fly across. Entire countries feel huge. But here's the reality. Earth is only about 12,700 kilometers wide. And suddenly, that massive planet doesn't feel so big anymore. Because right next to us is something that makes Earth look small. And that's where things start getting crazy. Jupiter. It is so big, it doesn't even feel real. You could line up over 1,300 Earths, and they would all fit inside it. Think about that. Every mountain, every ocean, every city, multiplied over 1,000 times, and it still fits inside one planet. And yet somehow, Jupiter isn't even the biggest thing in our solar system. Not even close. Now forget planets, because stars are on a completely different level. The sun looks small in the sky, but that's only because it's far away. In reality, you could fit about 1.3 million Earths inside the sun. 1 million. If Earth were the size of a marble, the sun would be a giant sphere towering over it. And still, this is where things start to get ridiculous. Because the sun is actually considered a small star. There are stars out there so massive, they make our sun look tiny. Take UY Scuti. This star is so unbelievably large. If you placed it where our sun is, it wouldn't just cover Earth. It would swallow Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and even reach past Jupiter. That's not a planet-sized difference. That's something on an entirely different scale. Now here's where your brain really starts to break. Everything we've talked about so far, Earth, Jupiter, even the sun, all exist inside something much, much bigger. The Milky Way galaxy. And this isn't just big, it contains over 100 billion stars. That's billions of suns scattered across space, and we are just one tiny system inside it. Now imagine zooming out even further. Because the Milky Way isn't special. It's just one galaxy among billions. Scientists estimate there are over 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe, each one filled with stars, planets, and who knows what else. And suddenly, our entire galaxy feels small. But here's the part that really changes everything. When you look up at the night sky, every star you see is still inside our galaxy, meaning everything visible to your eyes is just a tiny fraction of what actually exists. You're not even seeing the universe. You're seeing a small piece of it. And even now, we're still not at the end, because the universe itself is constantly expanding, faster and faster, every second, which means the true size of everything is something we may never fully understand. There may be more, far beyond what we can ever see. So now think about this. Earth feels big when you're standing on it, but compared to planets, it's small. Compared to stars, it's nothing. Compared to galaxies, it doesn't even register. And yet somehow, on this tiny, almost invisible planet, life exists right here, right now, which might be the most unbelievable thing of all. If you want more videos like this, make sure to follow, because this is only the beginning.